We are to step 4. Yay! Give yourself a round of applause. I salute you. Bravo. So, step 4, we are at establishing a plan. So, did you do the personal monthly budget? Do you know every penny that you're bringing in every month? Yes? You clicked on the link, you got the spreadsheet. Hope you enjoyed it. Did you download the tracker so you know exactly what you're spending every month? It's going to help you to argue when you have something that's derogatory on your credit to get it off. It's going to help you to prove it. It's going to help you establish a good monthly system to pay bills. All right? Number 3, did you pull your tri-merge credit report? Did you go ahead and spend the dollar to get the identity IQ? I hope you did, because without that, you're not going to be able to work step 4. So step 4 is addressing the derogatory items on your credit. By clicking on the link, you're able to get your identity IQ tri-merge bureau. That was the dollar that you spent. By uploading that and establishing that with your social security and your birth date and all that good stuff. It's a third-party company. Taking advantage of that dollar spend was everything. And so if you've taken those steps, now guess what? You got a free round of letters sent out in your behalf from an attorney's office, and that was a gift by establishing that. We have already embedded that in for you. You had that option. Hopefully you went for it because it was free. And now you don't have to write the letters yourself. You don't have to go through the entire library, although I've made it available for you to take advantage of that. And you'll have to look, if you didn't do that, then you'll have to look at step 4, like B, 4.5. Because then you'll have to click on the links and go through the manual process and to establish your credit report and to start addressing the derogatory items on your credit. But, for whatever reason, if that didn't happen, no judgment. This is not a judgment zone. This is a zone of how to get you to a 700 score. I'm very clear of where we are. Are you clear? Did you do the work? Because I've done your research. And hopefully you took advantage of a plan. So we're establishing a plan in step 4 to remove the derogatory items. I've done the research. The attorney will send out the letters in your behalf if you used Identity IQ, which I don't make 1 cent off of that dollar that you broke for, that you spent for. Okay, so I don't make a nickel off of that. I don't have any money in the stocks. It's not even linked to me. So I've done the research. Now you got to do the work. Step 5, this is your final step. This is going to be a real sweet tip. So if you haven't done it already, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. What do you have to lose? Like, you're on your way to establishing a 700 or better score. I've done the research. Now you do the work.